posted my shit. Live stream ended. Oh, that's right. I need a new stream key for this. Soundwaves! What's up, man? Let's go. I like how you have your own emoji. The branding is real. Just setting up TikTok stream. Give me a sec. Okay, I think we're good. Let's see. Yep. Yo, shit. Why can I hear it like 10 times? Alright, okay. Okay, good. Alright. What's happening? Yeah, I want to try something fun to start this stream off. I wanted to play GeoGuessr. I've never played GeoGuessr, but I don't know. This is gonna be like, I don't know. Actually, it probably won't be a chill stream, the whole stream, but also wanted to generate some shit with Chat LLM, like an image. Flux Pro Ultra. I want to create hundreds of robots sitting at a computer, Ultra HD, 4K, super realistic. Alright, GeoGuessr? I remember, I think I tried to play GeoGuessr one time and you had to like pay or some shit. Is that still the case? Yeah. Oh, let's see what happens. Good start. Yeah, see? What the hell? No, screw that. There should be like a free GeoGuessr. Open source. Open Guesser. Yeah, let's go. Alright, this is much better. Song is nice. Oh man. This? Are you allowed to like move around? Yeah, you are. Can we see that car? Oh man, it's getting away. It's like a Golf. And it's driving on the right side. Not Australia. Wait, oh no. Yeah, right side. Shit. Yeah, this song is not, this is by Suna. All the other ones weren't as good. This one's pretty nice. Shit, I don't know. I'm thinking somewhere in America? Deserty. Dude, this is hard. Anorar, thank you for the like. El Paso, Texas? It's not like the one thing that's like keeping me from guessing America is like I feel like the American desert is usually more red, isn't it? I guess it depends where. Like near Vegas and stuff, like, I don't know, the color of the dirt seems a bit gray. Let's see. Wait. Oh shit, okay. Freaking El Paso? Where's El Paso? Where else do we have desert? Dude, I don't know. Alright, let's just guess. What about like somewhere here? Yeah? I think we're way off. I don't know. I really have no idea. Maybe the next one will be easier. Oh, that wasn't too far off. At least we got the right kind of side of the world. Alright, next one. Okay. Way more features here. Alright, this kind of looks like Yosemite. Could also be like Switzerland. Maybe. These trees are like the sequoia trees, no? California. But can we see which way he's driving? Really? How far could we go? Wyoming? Definitely Wyoming. That's pretty confident. I don't know where Wyoming is, man. Where is Wyoming? I always gotta guess like here-ish. Oh, Wyoming here. Okay. All right. Let's go. Let's go like here. Oh shit, you were pretty close. Nice. Yeah. I figured it'd be around here because you got those trees in like California. Those sequoia trees. Okay. That wasn't too bad. Not good guess, Soundwaves. All right, next one. Okay. Now this is looking more like I'm gonna say Europe, no? It's giving me Europe vibes. Again, it kind of does feel I don't know. Like America. Can we go see these buildings? Nebraska. Yeah, it could still be America. Yeah, that doesn't look European, that house. Does look pretty American. Although that's an wait, was that an American flag? Yep, okay, definitely America. Yo, Nicholas, what's up, man? Good to see you. Porter Trash Services. Okay. Well, we can say for sure it's in America. Nebraska? I have no idea. Yeah, but sure. Let's go with sound waves again. Where the hell is Nebraska? This is good. This is like good for learning. Building front ends. Nice. Nice, man. Nebraska. Okay, here. All right, it's a pretty green part of Nebraska, so maybe here. Columbus. Let's go. Let's go here. Richland. Ooh, dude, that was hella close, man. Was that still in Nebraska? No, very close. It was in Missouri. Very close. Windsurf is goaded. Nice, man. You like windsurf? I had a talk with one of the people at Exponent. Seemed really nice. So I think I'm gonna try Exponent a lot more. Also, we got Ader Discord here. People like. I think he said you need Chinese number for Alibaba Cloud API. Is that the case? Anyone tried this Quen Turbo with like 1 million context? Apparently it's pretty good. Hey, it's me. You agree that windsurf is goated? Why is this looking grayed out? Okay. Okay, surely this isn't America anymore. This looks like palm trees, like somewhere tropical, like near the equator. What does this say? Rapido, okay. Sardinas, okay, something Spanish. Spanish near the equator. my guess. Sardinia. Oh, it even gives you the street name. Calle Sardina. Isn't that like a island, Sardina? Shit, look at homie. Damn. Nicaragua? Where is that? I was thinking like here, no? It's kind of near the equator. Where's the equator? Oh no, equator's down here. So let's go look here. I'm thinking like somewhere around here, no? Here. Dominica, San Lucia, Barbados. Do they speak Spanish in Barbados? No, they don't. That's like Caribbean type shit, right? Grenada? What about Grenada? That sounds Spanish. Actually, none of these names sound Spanish. Oh, except Carmel. Ortiz. Actually, I don't know. That's kind of French. Trinidad and Tobago. Yeah, I think this is all kind of like French, no? Puerto Rico is definitely more Spanish, right? Yeah, yeah, this one's definitely Spanish. Oh, shit. Lazy Pesh, hello. What's going on? Nicholas says Oracle's AI is going to be like a teacher platform for different niches. Okay. Is that what you're building? Jamaica, Cuba, Bahamas. I don't know. It seems kind of like a bit like not wealthy. Maybe it's just this area. Okay, this house looks a bit nicer than the other one. Got a cross on the door. What do you think, Lazy? Where are we? Um, yeah, thinking something here maybe. Where's Nicaragua? I don't even know where that is. Are you allowed to search here? And like, wait, can you? Hexmos, what's up? Trinidad. That's around here, right? Trinidad. Well, we. Oh, is Trinidad Spanish too? It's kind of Spanish. Trinidad's not a bad guess. I thought this was like more. Yeah, like near Venezuela. Honestly, yeah. It probably is something around here, man. Trinidad is not a bad guess. I was thinking maybe, yeah, fuck. Should we go Trinidad? Costa Rica, yeah. Trinidad, Costa Rica, Puerto Rico. They're all like around here, right? Actually, I don't know where Costa Rica is. Oh, there it is. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hmm. Areas in Mexico that look like that too. Yeah, well, I saw like a lot of these palm trees, so like you normally see those in like tropical areas near the equator, so that's why I was like probably a bit lower than Mexico. That is a guess. You don't always see them near the equator. It's not always the case. So also, I don't know. Let's just put let's just put it somewhere in the middle. Like, oh, this is Nicaragua. Yeah. We're all kind of guessing in the same like vicinity. Let's just put it there. Let's see. Oh, that was hella close. It's in Panama. Nice. Hell yeah. That's not bad. Never played that game. What are your clues? So you pretty much get put in a random spot in like Google Maps and you can move around and look at stuff and that's it. Like that's the only clues you get. Like there's no written clues or anything else. Occasionally you get lucky and you can see signs. Um, but my very first one, it was just like in a desert. So you normally just have to go off like the road and like vegetation and shit. So like we got something similar to this before. These look more like pine trees. Yeah, pine trees. Pine trees you can find kind of everywhere in the world. Um, yeah, you can also see the street name La Forsenwagen. Okay, Forsenwagen. That sounds like kind of German or Dutch or something. Forsenwagen. There's like a lake there. Um, yeah, somewhere in Germany probably. Somewhere with like a lake around here. Let's see. Let's find some lakes. God, Dusseldorf, Hamburg. Oh, here. Yeah, lake isn't very big. It's more like a river. Hey, Hamburg could be a good guess. I mean, the river is quite big compared to that one. Maybe like down here where the river gets smaller. You're saying Finland and Sweden, Norway and Iceland. Okay, everyone's thinking Nordic. Okay, it doesn't look German. Okay, La Forsen. Okay, this could definitely be a Swedish Norway. Okay, okay. All right, let's move north. Oh man, it's quite big here. Where are we thinking? Norway, Iceland? I don't know. I don't know about Iceland. I feel like Iceland's a bit less. You think Iceland too? Really? What was this? No. We need some more clues, man. Everything looks the same. Oh, here we got a sign. 70. Oh, there's another sign here. 7 kilometers. Okay, so they use kilometers, so it's not the US. To Primaganon. Primaganon? Can we go this way? We can't go that way. Look for a Sasquatch. What was up there? Still looks roughly the same. Mostly the same, rather. Hmm. Why are you walking empty? I didn't get to choose where I am. So it puts you in a random spot in the world and you have to guess where you are. Oh, here we go. Gran Sommervaken. Come on, who said they were in Sweden before? Is that Swedish? Gran Sommervaken. Or Finnish? Or Norway? Neighborhood Watch. Ooh, okay, so they have English as well. And the bin looks like this. Okay, there's a lot more clues there. I'm gonna pick Canada. No, definitely not Canada. Small trees, northern. Oh, they use commas as decimals, so definitely Europe. Okay, I think it is probably one of the Nordic countries or Scandinavia. You know, like Sweden, Finland. Oh, they got these purple flowers too. I don't know if that helps. Okay, let's lock something in here. What do we think? If we had to pick between Norway, Sweden, Finland, Denmark, Iceland, what do we think, chat? Soundwaves has $5 on Norway. Okay. Anyone else? Should we do Norway? Norway near a smallish river, and is there mountains in the back? It's pretty flat. There's like a small hill. It's like it's not no big mountains. There's like small mountain hill. Yeah, not very hilly. Still waiting on the Gemini comp. I think honestly, like in the next few days. I think tomorrow actually. That's what people were saying in my chat. I think they were saying they will do it tomorrow. I don't remember where I saw it, but I'm pretty sure someone said tomorrow. All right, we're gonna do Norway. No, it's too hilly in Norway, right? It'll be like here in like the flat area. Let's find a river. This is Sweden now. Look at Finland's pretty flat. Ooh, and they use that A lot in Finland. Oh, they also use it in Sweden. Denmark. High altitude. Yeah, that's true actually. It could be high altitude as well. But with the river? Yeah, even with the river. It's a pretty long river. I'm trying to find like some river. I feel like Finland has a lot of water. They're more lakey than rivery. Like the river was pretty straight. I don't know if we'd see it. Like Sweden has some more rivery. Denmark, pretty flat. Oh, some rivers there. Let's have a look at Iceland before we write that off. Where is it? Whoa, shit. Oh, yeah, Iceland is hella rocky. That's why I think it's like not really Iceland. Hella rock and mountainy. Thinking is here, man. Thinking is here. 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 I'm gonna do this. Run slow. Oh yeah, like here. Alright. Locking it in. Here we go. Oh, that was hella close, dude. Nice. It was Sweden. You owe me $5, Soundwave. But you were close too. Oh, that was good. Damn. Can't believe how close I got. See that reasoning? I was like, Finland, it's not really rivers, it's more lakes. Iceland, too rocky. Man's got that O1. It's like O1 preview right here in my brain. It was like reasoning tokens, man. Crazy. $5, me too. All right. Should we do something else now? Oh yeah, my video. Okay. Dude, Flux, this is Flux Ultra. I think it's like one of the best coding things. I want to compare how does this save? I want to compare the cling in Chat LLM to the cling in normal cling. It'll probably be the same. Actually, like cling, can you go 10 seconds? Oh, you can go 10 seconds. Duration. Robots coding, typing code through computers, moving text, changing text. This I'm trying to like not make it distort the text. The text. Higher flexibility. Increases relevance to prompt. Okay. Improve the prompt. Okay. And then I'm also gonna go on Kling AI. Let's see how that goes. I think we get like some more options on Kling AI. Let's have a look. AI video, image to video. But I don't think we can actually upload GFIF. Yeah, you can't. So that's a bit annoying. On Kling, you have to put it as a JPEG. I think we can just rename this to JPEG though, and it'll just work. Let's double check. I think that just works. Let's see. Yeah, see? Okay, that's good. Yeah, we have like creativity, relevance, professional mode. Okay. There's like camera movement and like brush stuff, but only in standard mode. Motion brush. Yeah, yeah. Um, robots typing code through computers. All right. I get some 70. Yeah, look. I'm on like a kind of somewhat pro plan on Kling, and it says 17 minutes. Whereas if I do it with Chat LLM Teens, this last time I tried this, it only took, I don't know, like 5 minutes or something. The new DeepSeek model is pretty good. Yeah, I've heard. And you can just try it on deepseek.com, right? Yeah. The thing is, like with those kind of O1 style reasoning models, I don't really have a good use case for them. Let's see. I wonder if they'll add it onto, yeah, DeepThink. 50 messages, that's heaps. And they actually give you like the like streaming reasoning unlike O1, which is really cool. I don't know what to ask it though. Oh, by the way, sorry. Um Klein is hiring. I don't know if you guys saw. They're hiring for like JetBrains developers and where is it? Here. Klein's hiring an SF for JetBrains Kotlin engineers and a product marketing manager. And I applied to this product marketing manager. Well, I think it'd be cool to work for Klein in SF. Um, yeah, I don't know. I'd be like, let's just see like if it can suggest me ways. Given this job description and attached resume, suggest ways to improve the application. Let's see. I don't know. I couldn't think of anything better. See, like stuff like this, I don't even think it's like a really good case for it's like not a really good use case for this model. I just wrote this today for this. It's kind of like a community manager role. I don't know. I just want to see it like think. All right, let's take a look. I mean, this is just like normal output, right? It's so fast. Compared to the normal O1. Well, you can't really tell how fast the normal O1 is because it doesn't show you the thinking. I mean, it's low key just behaves like a normal thing, but they have like, I guess, dedicated tokens to thinking. Cool. Lamale. Is that what I put? Whatever. I'm curious about how many parameters it is. That's a good question as well. I mean, judging by its speed, I'd say it's maybe kind of small. Because look, if we don't do DeepSeek, actually, can I put the same prompt in normal DeepSeek and see how fast that is? See, this is kind of slower, is it not? And normal DeepSeek is like 250 billion parameters, I think. So, you know, I wouldn't be surprised if their reasoning model is actually smaller than 250 billion parameters. It will be open sourced soon. Yeah, I think they said they will open source it. Historias! Thanks for the like. Brazil. How far back is the TikTok stream? What? Shout out Brazil. Oh, it's not that far back. Historias. You want to run it on your 4090? I doubt you can run anything that big on a 4090, right? Like, how much VRAM in a 4090? I actually asked Perplexity kind of a similar question. Because I keep forgetting. 24 gigs? Yeah. I feel like you could only run, like, I don't know, like a 72B max. Yeah, here. Oh. This doesn't even give you the full VRAM of a 4090. I don't know, there's so many like different. Oh, you got 24 as well? Oh, yeah, it is 24. Oops. I don't know. I feel like there's like different versions of like at least the 3060. One has like 10 gigabytes, one has more and stuff. I don't know. Yeah, it would need to be quantized exactly to be able to run it. Okay. Um, 10 minutes. Okay, this is okay. Maybe they take about the same time. Let's see it. Let's check my stream notes. What else do we have planned? Oh, GPT Engineer wanted me to make the video for them. They gave me credits. Do they have a changelog? Awesome. Apparently they have better Superbase integration now. Oh, the select feature? This is cool. Like V0 had this. It's like you can select specific elements in the UI to prompt about. I think that's really cool. Full stack with their improved Superbase integration, making it easier to build full stack apps. This is really cool. If I can we go deeper into how it works? Nice. So yeah, if you don't know about Superbase, it's like an open source kind of backend management platform, similar to Firebase, offering real-time databases, auth services, and file storage. You can create an account, create a new project, connect to Superbase with a single button. Awesome. That's so much better. Previously, you had to like copy and paste like secret keys and stuff, but it looks like they've made it just a single button kind of thing. Oh, we can watch the video. This is sick. I think this is so sick because like we haven't had a full stack AI coding platform that hosts your backend on an open source backend like Superbase. If I'm not mistaken, like Bolt kind of locks you into StackBlitz initially. What other full stack? Lazy AI locks you into Lazy AI. Kind of like you can export your code, but like the initial deployment is on their service.
I'm going to do a quick demo on how you can use Superbase together with GPT Engineer to add full stack capabilities to your project. Stuff like login, persistence, backend functionality, etc. I'm going to kick it off by telling GPT Engineer to build a first version of an app that allows the user to insert a description and generate tweets based on that description. And I want it to use AI. However, in the beginning, in this first iteration, I've told it to just mock the functionality. And I've also told it to make it possible for the user to be able to select how many generations, how many tweets it wants to generate based on the description. I get the first version, I'm telling it to generate 3 tweets based on the user selection, and I'm getting 3 tweets as an output.
This is awesome. I already have an idea. Okay, so if you guys saw my stream ages ago, not ages ago, like a week ago, I hosted this hackathon, right? And it was kind of finished yesterday. And it was very niche. It was like a creator hackathon, so it was pretty much only for content creators and developers, and it's very niche. Like we barely got any sign up. So for the next hackathon, I want to make a web app where the community can vote on a topic. So pretty much, I want to see if we can make a web app with GPT Engineer where people can vote on the hackathon topic. Yeah. Does that sound like a good idea? There's also more ideas. Maybe we could have chat vote. Let me try bring up. I have like a ideas notion. Let's see what else. Prompt library website. This could be cool. It was just like a library where, you know, you can like search for prompts for particular use cases. I know this kind of exists. I forget what the website's called. If anyone knows in the chat, please let me know. This is also cool, like a marketplace for GitHub project collaboration access. I thought this was really cool. Yeah. What else? Embeddable widget that can show and easily search through all TikTok videos of a creator or a topic. I think this one will be kind of hard to do, given TikTok's API or lack thereof. Yo, Paul, good to see you, man. Make an email agent, not really relevant for GPT engineer. Chat games, fork, cursor location, fuzzy searchable web appable, techfren vids, real-time generated animations. Ooh, this is sick. Well, at least like text to animation. Like, I don't think we've seen that yet. I think this is like such a cool product idea. Like text prompt to animated diagrams kind of thing. Does that make sense? I don't even know how to search for this. All right, let's see how this goes.
Over the last month or so, I've been getting a lot of questions from you guys saying, how do I create these awesome animated diagrams to explain concepts? Diagrams, they really bring life with the created. And you can see that these animated diagrams, they really bring life when you explain. Just go to File, create a new design, and then specify the size, loads, and part. You can have B, and if you want to add an animation, you could wipe, you can bring. So this is very slow, and if you click on duration,
kind of like this. Obviously, this is manual, but imagine giving a prompt like a bee flying, or it's like you're talking about something, and then while you're talking about it, there's like an animation happening. Or you can give a prompt and it makes the animation. I think that would be so sick. AI PRM website prompt library. What is that? Yo, we have another poll in the chat. Bitwise poll. Shit. Is that man's crypto alter ego? AI PRM prompts. Sick. Yeah. Something like this. Yeah. But like easily searchable, and like if I search like a LinkedIn post or something, it would like show me all the okay, that didn't work. LinkedIn. I'm in the like LinkedIn content planner. Yeah, kind of like this, I guess. Yo, Hamza, what's up? Where I want to create something with Lovable Dev, aka GPT Engineer. These are some ideas I had. I'm just trying to pick an idea, I guess, at the moment. Mm-hmm. I was thinking like an animated. I think this kind of would be hard. I was thinking like a text to animation, but not like a full pixel by pixel generated animation, but a kind of like if there's some like language. Hold on, let's ask Perplexity. Is there any like language that is used for defining animations similar to, is it mermaid language? You know, the mermaid diagrams? Yeah, like mermaid diagram language. Bonus if integrates with like GIF, etc. This is kind of what I'm looking for. Because if we get like a language, these LLMs can make the language really easily. Anime.js. Let's have a look at this. Okay. This could be it. Is there examples? Kind of want like explanation anime. This is pretty close though, right? So it looks like it's like SVG animations. This is more for yeah. This shit is sick. Let's see what the JS looks like. Okay, it's pretty simple JS, but it's quite complicated, you know. I don't want something more simple. Supports SVG, DOM attribute CSS, green sock, powerful. Let's have a look at this one. Lottie, I've heard of Lottie. Lottie could be good as well. Mohammed, thanks for the like. GSAP by Webflow. This looks nice. This looks really nice. Morph SVG, motion path, inertia. Interesting. I'm not sure how. Library for rendering animations created in After Effects. Okay, so that doesn't really help us. User creative, interactive. No GIF support. Okay, this GSAP looks pretty cool. See like if there's any like kind of tutorials. GSAP animation. Kind of want like explainer diagram animation. Hmm. Hmm. And then I also like want to combine that with like Jiffy, or is it like a those GIF libraries, Jiffy with a PHY. And if we search for like Microsoft logo, have some. I guess it doesn't really do Microsoft. Oh, this is Microsoft. But it's like, how is the AI gonna know which one is the? I don't know. This is hard. There's a reason why no one's really figured this out. Maybe it's too hard for me to tackle. All right. Maybe I'll just do the voting idea. Community voting platform. Okay. Let's use the DeepSeek kind of thinking. We'll use DeepSeek and compare it to O1. Compare DeepSeek to O1. Oh, my video's ready? The clean video ready? Oh, and the clean video's ready. Oh, that is sick. Hell yeah, guys. 100x engineer video preview. So sick. So sick. Let's go. Why can't I download the chat LLM one? Oh, shit. Wait, that's still gonna be here? I guess it's buffering. We'll leave it. Okay. So I'm gonna ask O1 preview as well as DeepSeek now. I don't know. Do we need like a yeah, I'm gonna say something like DeepSeek looks higher than 1.0. Oh, it downloaded finally. Let's have a look at chat LLMs. This looks lower quality than the Kling Pro. Yeah, this is 720p. Whereas the Kling one is 1080p. Does look much better. Okay, that's something to note. Fuck, it looks so good. All those agents working away. Yes, they're all coding. It's the vision. And Quinn from a chart I saw today, haven't verified or tested. Which AI will make me the most money? I don't know. Whichever one you use correctly. Hamza asked, what exactly are you looking for? Text to animation for YouTube vids? Yeah, well, I think it's just like, it'll be such a useful platform. We already have text to video, but it's like kind of slow and it's not like, those like explainer videos? I don't know who does it well. I'm trying to think of someone. There's that guy, like explainer animation. Kind of like these. Okay, this is like a proper animation, but like something more simple that like it's like animated diagrams. Kind of like this. No, that's too simple. Like motion graphics. Yeah, kind of like this, right? Obviously this is a bit more like I'm thinking like something more simple. It's just like icons, they move around and there's like arrows. Like something that could probably be like explained in a JSON. And then like one of these like basic animation frameworks can like, it's just like kind of different icons moving around the page and like morphing into each other kind of thing. Text animation. Have I seen GLIF for text animation? I haven't. Let's have a look. Cornelius, I'm not sure. Like, if I knew the answer to that, I'd be doing it. Trend, so what's a free LLM I can use to do a website? I like WebSim. WebSim is so fun and fast to just create like a fast website. There's also like Soloist, but it's more basic. Like with WebSim, you can do your Soloist by Mozilla. With WebSim, you can do like a whole lot more. Soloist is kind of like for your business, but it's like pretty simple and like foolproof. WebSim can like break stuff. I know you got money. Guitar City, thanks for the like. What style you're asking for to create the boundaries on the prompt? Yeah. Well, I've moved on from that animation idea now. I'm gonna make I want to make a platform where people can vote on stuff and I can like change what we're voting for. These look like just pictures, no? What are glyphs? Wait, what's this? Is this actually animated? Oh, it's like a I don't even know what this is. Do videos. We can't play them though. It's so weird. Sign in to run? Uh-huh. Yeah, no, not particularly what I'm looking for. Website with 10 Gmail accounts, yes. Okay, so I'm gonna give this a prompt to O1 Preview and DeepSeek DeepThink. I want to write a prompt for an AI coding agent to create a platform where admins can set a, a question bracket S for users to vote for. Users must auth with an email to vote. They can either vote on one predetermined option or submit their own custom text option. Only one. I guess this is kind of like an iterative thing. So before we go to O1, we go to GPT-4o. Ask me clarifying questions to reduce ambiguity first. Let's just see, like, what gaps am I missing in this description? User off. Should be simple verification. We're doing super base. Admins can create multiple questions. Oh, one question at a time. One auth with super base. User only needs email and verify. How does super base email verification work? Let's double check. How does super base auth work for users? Can they just use email? Let's see. With pipelines are used a lot in memes, and each pipeline is different. Oh. How is it ranked to Quen and 4.0 in okay, that's for another dude. Test time training. Yes. User can create an account by providing email and password upon registration. Super convert. Okay, sweet. Superbase sends a conf email. That's kind of what I wanted to know. Using his email. Admin can create multiple questions and users see multiple. No additional user info is required. Maybe username optional. Should admins be able to set a time limit? Do admins need the ability? No time limit needed, but they can delete or edit the questions responses / options. Can user change their vote? Users can change vote. Only one vote for option submission per user. Oh, should there be dashboard for admins to view voting? Yes. Admins can view vote answers. Users can also view results once voted. Yeah, I guess. Security, no security. Okay. Write a concise prompt with all this info. Okay, let's get a concise prompt here from this GPT-4o. All right, we're gonna put this. Improve this prompt to be given to an AI coding agent to build this app. Okay, here we go. That's Gemini. I mean, that's DeepSeek. I'm gonna do the same thing with O1 preview. All right. Yeah. DeepSeek is obviously so much faster. Encryption, no. See, it's like it kind of overthinks it. Hey. Create a new question manager. Create a new voting session. Objective of voting. It's not even that much better. Oh my god, fucking O1 gave a timeline. Yeah, I think these kind of prompts aren't even like good for O1. I think like these reasoning is like good for like math and like science and stuff, but not really this stuff. I think this like 4.0 prompt was pretty good. We're just gonna keep this. Okay. All right, let's just go on to Lovable Dev and try to create this. Boom. What's configure? Oh, we can choose a tech stack. ShadCN with TypeScript, ShadCN with JavaScript, or custom. Yeah, ShadCN TypeScript. I think that's what it's like good at. So we're gonna leave it at that. You can have it public. That's fine. No problem there. Submit. Let's go. Animaker, says Hamza. Let's have a look at that. Animaker. Make animated videos with AI for free. Oh, sweet. Oh, yeah, excellent. Shit like this. Nice. Good find, Hamza. Effortless. Explainer video for a C. Oh, this is exactly kind of what I want. Explainer videos. Oh, I think I've tried this. I mean, this is still good. This is definitely still good. What's the pricing like? Yeah, kind of something like this, but open source. Pricing's not too bad. 5 minutes for $15 a month. Oh, okay, that's if you pay annually. $27 a month. Get AI voice. It's pretty cool. Yeah, something like this. Good find, Hamza. Alright, it's creating super base. No, it's not. Sorry. What's it doing? Oh, it is. Let me help you build this. First version will implement basic auth, question listing, admin dashboard. Excellent. However, before we proceed, we need to connect our Superbase. Please connect Superbase using the integration. Okay, let's look at their integration docs. Or I think we can press this button. Connect Superbase. Connect Superbase. Yes. Superbase. Sign in. Create a new project. I think we have to create a project, hey. Okay, let me just... New project. We're gonna call it question community voting, like voting platform, something like that. Generate a password. Okay. Wait, hold on. I don't want to leak this password. Yo, thanks for the like. User77, Abbott, Skinny, and Mame. I appreciate you. I'm muted? What do you mean? No, I'm not muted. I think you've muted me. I'm not muted. Unless someone else tells me I'm muted. I don't think so, right? Okay. We've created the Superbase project. It's gonna take a little while. I'm also curious why the connection failed. I don't think that should have happened. I'm good now, sweet. Oh, and also Nefiad, thank you for the follow. Okay, give us some time. Oh, maybe we'll just try connect again. It won't let me click it. Refresh. How about now? Superbase. Connect. Authorize. Come on. Come on. Nice. All right. Let me know. Superbase has now been connected. Okay, that was so much easier than it used to be. That's awesome, man. And GPT Engineer, or I guess they've now completely renamed it to Lovable Dev. Yeah, I think it is called Lovable Dev. It's like one of the first text to like web app platforms that I've ever tried in January this year. This is like before Devon, before actually Cursor was around, but Cursor was as an IDE. It's kind of different to one of these ones. And when I made a post being like, this is the future of software engineering, people were like, no, what are you saying? This is dumb. It can only make basic Snake games and stuff. And look how far we've come now. People are like, okay, shit. Shit's real, right? Let me see if I can find the post. It would have been so long ago. Okay, so it's saying. Okay, so this is like we should continue, but this is also like we found an error. Let me see if I can show logs. Missing Superbase environment variables. We'll try to fix this issue before we continue. Do I have a YouTube channel? Yes. I do put these on my YouTube name. You can check them out. Go to techfren.net. And my YouTube is just this here. Or you can just search techfren. It's all the same name on YouTube as well. And I do post all the lives edited somewhat nicely. Like I still need to fix a bit of the editing, but I remove all the boring bits, at least try to, and post them here. So here's my last live where we tried Exponent, which I think is a really cool AI assisted AI coding agent thing. And yeah. Not using Ada for this? No, we're using Lovable Dev. It takes care of the whole deployment and stuff for us, which is really sweet. Okay, the error occurs because super environment variables aren't set. We still need to create an end file with the Superbase URL and the anonymous key generated. You'll need to replace the placeholder values in .env with your thing. You can do this on the project settings API. Oh, okay. So it looks like we still have to set this up. How do we do that? Project settings API. Yeah. Project settings. Where's API? Hmm. I'm gonna try just give my settings to thing off screen and see if we can do it for us. Because I think the whole point of this one-click thing is meant to. Wait. Hold on, I just realized that this you can go here, and then click connect. Okay, now it's connecting to the Superbase project. Okay, so you have to go into Superbase and actually connect it. Okay, that looks a bit better. Okay, because I think this was old. What app am I trying now? This is lovable.dev. It was previously called GPT Engineer, but it's like one of the OGs in this space. And yeah, I have a lot of love for them as well. I think you can try it for free. Check it out at lovable.dev. Paul's trying Windsurf. What's my top 3 ranked? Have I tried Bolt? Yeah, Bolt looks sick. I tried it when they first came out and it was a bit buggy, so I'm yet to try it again. But like a lot of people have really good things to say about Bolt. They demoed today a new diff feature that saves a ton of tokens instead of rewriting big sections. Sick. Hamza says GPT Engineer is better than V0. Abbott says doesn't lose context on complexity. I'm not sure. I mean, a lot of these AI agents do obviously lose a lot of efficiency once the project gets really big. That's just the nature of how LLMs and context management works. Best full stack app developer list top 5. How does Lovable compare to Klein and Autocoder? Yeah, it's kind of hard to compare like lovable.dev to Klein. I'd say Klein is more on the like comparable side to like Cursor and Windsurf. I'd compare lovable.dev more to like Bolt and like V0 maybe or Lazy AI. And they're all changing all the time, so it's really hard to kind of compare them fairly. So I don't know. I'm sorry, that's not a good answer. Is lovable.dev free? They do give you free tokens. But yeah, there's tokens. So obviously it's not unlimited for free, but they do give you free tokens and then you pay. I think it's like a really generous amount. I don't know how I can see how many tokens I have. But yeah, it's okay. Okay, it says 2 out of 5 daily messages. So but then bonus messages. So I'm not really sure how exactly it works, but yeah. Okay, my app is now connected to Superbase. You can now work with a fully featured backend. Awesome. With user accounts, store, SN. Keep building. Continue building the app. Okay. All right, let's see how this goes. Is there a way to make and deploy your own? Deploy your own what? AI coding agent? Or just app? Yeah, so Bolt.new, one of their kind of unique features is they deploy for you. Your own coding agent? Oh, yeah, definitely. You can code it yourself. Obviously, it's going to be super difficult and probably not reliable, but Bolt is open source, so you could just fork Bolt as well. And there are actually a lot of Bolt forks that you can work off too. Okay. So now Lovable's creating our database by executing this SQL. And this is so nice. Previously, you had to copy paste this SQL in Superbase, but now they just have a one-click button to make the whole database for you. So good. Love that. Lovable dev for sure. Auto is the main fork? Yeah. So maybe you want to fork that abstract. Go GitHub, Bolt, new. That's the original by StackBlitz. So here you go, bolt.new. This is pretty much like lovable dev prompt to full stack web app and deploy. You can fork this and then you have your own version of bolt new. And then Paul said auto. I mean, there's also this one. I mean, there's so many forks. I don't know which one's best. Okay, I guess this one is auto. Colam. Yeah, I don't know. There's a lot of forks, so find one that's good. Now the database is set up. Let's implement auth scheme, please. Which one first? Let's do number 2. Creating and managing questions. This is fun. How do you use bot when in stack places? I don't know. Go to bolt.new, www.bolt.new. Claude UI would have sped out the whole app in 2 seconds. Yeah, but then we'd have to spend 2 years to deploy it, no? No, probably not. Depends how you do it, but yeah. So this is actually doing the backend first, interestingly. So it created the database, and it gave us the option to either go onto auth system, creating, managing questions, voting, or results. I thought the creating and managing questions would be the most fun, so I suggested we do number 2. I just heard a rumor that the Gemini results will be released at 9:15 a.m. PST tomorrow. What's the time now? So in about 13, 14 hours from now. Okay. We have the question creation and management logic. I've implemented the basic question creation. So now we can test this. It says sign in. Okay, I mean, looks like we need to implement the user auth flow before we can test the question management. So, and we never determine how to determine like who the admin is. Marigold, when you open bolt.new app in Stackblitz to use, I don't know, man. Like I haven't really actually tried bolt.new that much. How do you manage not getting overwhelmed by this stuff? It's kind of become my full-time job, just testing and using this stuff. So I've dedicated a lot of time to it to make sure I don't get overwhelmed. You're on max tier bolt new and just raise a ticket with them. It lost all the work you did for 3 hours. Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that. Surely it like does stuff on Git, no? Okay, we have the user auth flow. Let's try sign up here. And actually, I should have signed up. Okay, there we go. Check your email for confirmation. Let's do that. No, the email. Okay, so the redirect for the confirmation goes to localhost. We should make it go to this instead, right? Is this hosted here? It is. The redirect for sign up auth goes to localhost. It should go to also make this configurable in .env if possible. Abed, thank you for the gift. Appreciate you. Name says when you ask it to user auth, does it know to implement role, sign up, sign in, forgot password, etc.? It depends. I don't know. I don't know what the system prompt is. As we can see, it did have sign up and sign in. I'm not sure about um, forgot password. Looks like it did have forgot password as well. I don't know if that'll be the case every time. Depends on what model it's using. What do I think about Adalo? I'm not even sure what that is. How to not get stressed out, make it to-do app. Abbott's a #1 gifter. Thank you, Abbott. I can actually show that. Hold on. Let me show that off for you. Let me show that off for you, Abbott. Let me get this. Top gifters. Here we go. Are you here? Oh, I think I need to connect with Tickfinity. We need to flex on them, Abbott. We need to flex on them. Connect. Okay. Yeah, Abbott Skinny. Let's go. Thank you, Abbott. 1 coin? Come on. I don't even get anything. That's worth like half a cent. Any question he answers is worth $150. Yeah, you give me 1 cent? Come on, Abbott. No, I'm kidding. You don't have to give. Oh, here we go. 2 cents. I appreciate you. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see if we can sign up. I wonder if it'll let me. Come on. What? Why is this plain text? Okay, there we go. Okay, let's see. Doctor, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. Get my confirmation link. I still don't give through all these mooches in the chat. Whoa. Damn, I have a lot of spam emails. I need to check. Bro, I'm not getting the. Alright, let's try a different email. Yo, X, what's up? What is Lovable? It's one of those AI full stack app creation platforms. Okay, I got my confirmation email. It still took me to localhost, bro. Wait, maybe it already has my. Oh, actually, because it's Origin, maybe we can sign up through here. Maybe. Let's also check the. There's actually 2 ways we can do this. If I go to Superbase, we can probably see the database here. You can't handle server-side requests? You can. Wait, what do you mean? Table editor. Well, there's no users table. The fuck? Oh no, Superbase does it in auth. Okay, here. Auth. Yep. Let's delete this user. How do I delete this? Delete user. Okay. I think if I auth through here now, sign up. Hello at techfren. Why is it plain text, bro? I don't even know if I typed that correctly. Okay, let's check the confirmation email. Nice. Does it redirect properly this time? No, it still goes to localhost. The redirect link in the Supabase user email confirmation still goes to localhost. Like, that's a problem. Is Supabase free? Yeah, mostly, but I think not fully. Is it possible to do with MongoDB? Good question. Supabase, MongoDB. Yes. Somewhat. I don't know. They say it is. How about trying with an actual mail address? That is my actual mail address. I'm getting the emails. Look, see? It's just that it's redirecting to localhost down here. So that's not actually triggering the confirmation properly, I think. Oh, actually, it's going into superbase.com. Maybe it doesn't need to. Oh. I don't know. It just, I don't know. It shouldn't be redirecting to localhost. Essentially, that's what I'm getting at. Shinko, thanks for the like. 10 drop. Thank you for the likes. Appreciate you. How come Abbott's thing hasn't refreshed to 2 coins? Come on. Oh no, it disappeared. Is it because I closed Techfinity? I think so. My bad. Hold on. Keep that open. I think I can put it here. Have I ever tried Auth0? I think a long time ago I tried Auth0. Oh, what? There's 2 now. Oh, thanks for the cat, Abbott. Damn, that one was worth 5 coin. Okay. Why does it still say unsuccessful? But it's also worked. Let me just try log in. I think I might be able to log in here. Oh, Mustansar overtakes Abbott. Let's go, Mustansar. Now I'm gonna have to bring the chat lower. Alright, let's see if I can log in. What's my password? Failed to fetch. Name not served. Also the build unsuccessful. Damn. That's a bit sad. Oh, but Abbott with a penguin. Putting him on top. Nice, Abbott. That is a penguin, right? Can't really tell. Oh, we also have the likers here. Top likers. Trend drop. Where is that? Top likers. And remark imagery coming through with it. Appreciate y'all. Okay. Come on, build. Okay, no more build errors. That's good. Just gonna try to log in. I have a feeling it's gonna not let me log in, but it might give an error. Ever is there logs somewhere? No. I guess I can just copy paste the logs here. Okay. Oh no, it's still got the build errors, man. Damn, bro. It's sad. I feel like at some point we're better off just taking this off Lovable and finishing it with like Klein or Aider or Cursor or something. Take video, record, and upload it to AI Studio. Yeah, with what prompt? Trend job with the 102 likes. Thank you. Appreciate you, man. Oh, but Remark Imagery is actually ahead of you. Dude, why is all the... Damn, we have 32 viewers on TikTok? That's actually insane. I don't think I've had that many viewers in a long time. Thank you so much, everyone on TikTok. I appreciate you. Okay, low key, you know what? I'm gonna bring it to Claude. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at the code. Oh, we need to create a repository. All right, let's create a repository in my Git, which I've already auth with Lovable Dev. And let's view it in GitHub. Yo, what happens if we press this view in VS Code? What does that do? Oh, it brings up GitHub Dev. That's pretty cool. Vote Sparkle platform. How can I edit this code? Git clone, cd. What technologies do I use? Vite, TypeScript, ShadCN, Tailwind. How do I deploy? Okay, what's in the .env file? Bro, why do you commit all my secrets to the .env file? That is not good practice. It's public too, isn't it? Oh no, it's private. Okay. I mean, I guess that makes up for it. Can we run this in GitHub Dev? Like, no. Let me sign in. Or you clone it locally. So let's continue this locally, I guess. Clone it. Bring it to Claude. You mean Klein? Do that right now. All right, VS Code with Klein. Oh, let's just try run this first locally. Yarn dev. Also, hold on, I gotta close this. Also, I already had something running on yarn dev. Cannot find Vite, really? Imported from. Yes. So first we gotta install all the packages, of course. What's the longest I've ever sat just to code? I don't know, man. I've streamed like at least 4 hours of continuous coding. Do I like Neovim? Yeah, I do. SPRB Cloth. Hello. Thank you for joining. Imagery and trend job. Thank you for keeping up the likes. I appreciate y'all. Legends. Wait, actually, I think I could put this like likes behind my webcam. Put the like. Put it here. Wonder how that would look. I think you need to edit the redirect back to localhost. Well, it never stopped being localhost. So yeah, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what errors we get this time. And I don't even know like how the super base integration will work running it locally. We're gonna find out all of these. We're gonna find the answer to all of these questions very soon. While we wait for this, I wonder if we can reply to like TikTok comments and such. Let's see. Let's see if this works. Why is that not going away? This is. Hey. Comments. I only know one 100x engineer. Who? Let's go. Hugging Face chat. Dude,
the best place for any AI.
On Hugging Face. They've added heaps of new features. But like traditionally, what was old 2013. Bro, let me try find the GPT engineer techfren video from January. Here. The engineer. Specify what you want to build. The AI asks for yeah, it was a CLI thing before January. When is this? July 2023. Verification. This was like the first thing that could actually build a snake. I want to make a multiplayer. Oh, I completely forgot about that. But they made like a web app in January. I don't even know if I uploaded that to TikTok. Weird. Okay, whatever. Alright, we've installed the yarn packages. Let's continue. Yarn dev should hopefully run this locally. Looks like it did. Now it's on port 8080, not 3000. I don't know if that'll make a difference. Oh, you mean copy paste into Claude? But like which file? There's like so many different files. Right? Is there? I don't know. Let's check. I haven't actually looked. Yeah, look at this. So many files. Pages. Books. I guess you probably wouldn't need these. Components. UI. I guess this is just Shadcn. Question list. 74k followers is impressive. Thank you, man. I mean, it's a lot of hard work. I've been posting like as much as I can for like over a year. Okay. Look, we have something. We have something. Let's see if I can log in here. Failed to fetch. Kind of expected that. All right, let's see what sign up does. Also failed to fetch. All right. Klein? Let's try Klein. I mean, so many tools we could try. Let's try Exponent. I want to try Exponent. Exponent run. Wait, actually, I think I need to be in the folder. What is the name of this app? At the moment, it's called Vote Sparkle Platform. Is that what you're talking about? The one I'm building or the one I'm using to create it. There's actually like I've just mentioned like 5 of them. All right, we're gonna upgrade Exponent as a new version. Sent it a screenshot of the file structure, and it tells you what to paste. Oh, that's pretty cool. I'm also not paying for the client Claude Pro, so there's like a chance I won't even get Sonnet. Okay, we got Exponent. Here's Exponent. Barely anyone has covered this app, but I think it's really good. So I don't know if I should mention the files, but I'm pretty much I don't like Exponent's actually pretty good at finding the files it needs. So I'm gonna say I'm getting these errors when trying to log in / sign up, and then post the errors, which there we go, and then see what it does. Boom! Straight away. LSSRC. See how cool is this? And it doesn't actually charge you for these things that it does itself. It only charges you for the prompts that you do. You get like 20 prompts a month or something for free, or in the trial. Let me check your Supabase configuration. Boom, it's like reading these files. It's super fast. Now it's going to check my .env to see if I have all these keys, which I should. What is Exponent? It's this. An AI software engineer. Yeah, let's put it that way. AI software engineer. I could start a project with just Node.js and React, right? Unlovable. So by default it's Next.js, but they did say, let me show you. Where is it? They have like, so when you start it, you go into, there's like a settings button, configure, and you go choose tech stack and you go custom tech stack. Oh no, you can't. You have to request it. So I guess not. So I guess like at the moment it's just TypeScript. I mean, it's just React with TypeScript or JavaScript. Okay, it's changing the redirect URL to that. Interesting. Okay, let's just say okay. Make sure you're running the on a port. Damn it, now it wants me to test it. How do we get the yarn dev on that port? I guess we could just manually change this to 3030 as well. Or 8080, I think it was. Yeah. Okay. Same issue. I don't think that was a solution. I always do explore code base first and it creates exponent.txt. Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. I should have done that. Might be a DNS issue. Okay, wants to ping this. I'll find it. Confirms as that issue. I'm gonna try ping Google just to make sure that, you know, it can ping anything. And we actually get a response from Google. Okay. So let's verify we can log into Supabase and confirm the project status. Okay. Oops. In the meantime, let's try using a different DNS resolver. Let's log into Supabase. NS lookup. Wow. This is really awesome, like in-depth debugging for sure. Soul Leader, thank you for the like. Appreciate you. I mean, like, sir, I guess. Log into Superbase, check your settings, verify the correct use URL, and okay, how do we see the URL? Okay, that looks different. Actually, I'm gonna run out of things on Exponent. Where is Exponent? Oh, it was in a different tab. Oh my god, I got too many things open, dude. Did I close it? Okay, it's not there. Oh, I think I closed it. What was the URL it was on? URL anon key. Okay, looks like somehow Lovable Dev put the wrong URL and possibly anon key. And now it'll fix it. Hopefully, Exponent. How did you engineer the prompt first? Good question. So I tried putting him into. I gave like my best attempt at like explaining the app I wanted into GPT-4o, and then told it to like ask clarifying questions to like clear up any ambiguity that I might have missed in the explanation. And it was really good at like asking some questions about stuff I hadn't either thought about or explained. And then after I gave GPT-4o the answers, I told it to like make a concise prompt I can give to the AI engineer, and it did. And then I took that and I gave it to both DeepSeek Reasoning and O1 Preview to make it even better. But I didn't like the output that those reasoning models gave. So I actually just took the concise output from 4.0 and fed it into Lovable. Restart your development server to pick up the new environment variables. Okay. And try again. Let's go. Oh, shit! It actually worked! Holy crap, let's go, Exponent. Big props to Exponent for helping me debug the thing. Alright, let's see if I can create a question. What should be the next topic of the hackathon? The topic of the next hackathon, rather. I am creating a hackathon for the community so we can build stuff together. Let's brainstorm ideas, etc. Option 1. I don't know, guys. Any ideas? AI coding orchestrators. 100x coding orchestrator. And then video editing tools. Okay. Create question. Hell yeah. Dude, this is nice. Now we need a way to determine whether oh man, this is sick. I need to commit this. So I assume Exponent doesn't have a way to commit from here, which it's not a big deal. Not a big deal at all. I'll just do it through Git, I guess. I mean through the terminal. Let's see, git diff. Git add. Git commit. Fix. Superbase integration. Okay. I'm gonna go AG. AG dot. This is my thing to open up Aider in this repository with Google Gemini. And Gemini has that really big context window, so I can ask it questions like, how can I Actually, we need to add. I'm just gonna add everything, which is kind of what I do here with Gemini. Whoa, we have the whole code base. I'll drop src components. We don't need that. Will that work? Thinking about it. Mame says, I'm new to all this AI. What should I start with? I want to do lovable.dev, but if I can't write Node.js, I feel like you didn't finish your sentence there, so I'm going to let you finish it before I answer. Okay. I'm going to ask Gemini, how can I enable admin access to a particular user through Supabase? Let's see what it says. And while it does that, let me just try to figure it out myself. I go to authentication. I see the users here. Now, there's no column for is admin yet. Okay. So that's probably something I have to implement, which hasn't been implemented yet. Ooh, look at the schema visualizer. This is cool. Okay. Define an admin role. Go to Supabase. Authentication policies, new policies, admin, assign admin role to a user, go to authentication users, find the users, select roles. Okay, so it's like a role thing. Authentication, which user did I log in with? I can't even remember. Alright, let's just give it to Arashid Apricot. Okay. Arashid Apricot. How do we go? Roles. Where's roles? Roles. I don't see roles. Ban user, send magic link, email, single sign on. I'm not really sure how to set roles. Policies, providers, email template, real time. Anyone? If I can't write Node.js, I won't be able to debug the code it writes. If you know Node.js, like all the other JavaScript frameworks would be very similar. Have I tried LM Studio? Yeah, man, I love LM Studio. It was one of the first AI inference applications that I've tried. Very easy to use. Yeah, it's great. I have no idea how to set roles. What did Gemini say? Go to authentication users, find the user you want in the user's detail under roles. Okay. I'm in authentication users. Find the user right here. Where's roles? Reset danger zone. There's no roles, dude. All columns? Role authenticated. Gemini hallucinating right off the bat. Bro, look, I sent 203,000 tokens for free. How cool is that? I love Gemini for that reason. Just say like, give me SQL to execute to give user. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna get it to actually change some code here. This could be bad. I reckon it could fuck up. Give user with email. Rasha apricot.io admin role. Meaning that it is also make any changes to ensure that only admins can create questions. Okay. I don't know. Let's see what Gemini does. Yo, Eb. What is the best agentic coding tool now, man? I get this question so many times. I want to be able to ask for optimal solution and see ISU and see multiple attempts. Multiple attempts. Honestly, the only one I know that gives multiple attempts is AI Dark. Arman, thank you for the gifts, man. I appreciate you. AIdark.net. This one is really cool. It's free and it gives you multiple outputs. So I don't know, let's say Twitter clone. You send it and it actually like prompts 4 different AI models. Look at this, 4 different variants to build it. Now I don't know if it'll build on top of your existing project. But yeah. Otherwise, like the best agentic coding tool, probably Klein, Windsurf, Cursor, Aider, Exponent. These are the top 5. But yeah, how cool is AIdark.net? Look, we got one Twitter clone by variant 4. Not sure if that's finished. Yeah, these 2 are still okay, we'll let this process before I show you the results. Let's see what Gemini did with this. It didn't actually change any code, which is fine. But this is the SQL to set the role to admin. And then it makes a front end thing. I mean, a back end execution. I don't know if I trust this Gemini. I might do. All right, look, and this is the. Oh wow, what model is this? Gemini Flash, bro. I've been hearing Gemini Flash is actually really good at coding. Look at that Twitter clone it made. That was Gemini Flash, and then what's this first one? That's also Gemini Flash. And then this one gave an error. Pretty cool. Supabase only allows RLS. Is that row level something? Row level something. I think I'm gonna ask Exponent now. In a new prompt. Okay, hold on. How many prompt? Ooh, I have 11 messages. Honestly, I'll just pay for the big thing if it keeps going well. So far, I'm pretty impressed with Exponent. Oh, did we close this? Oh, what the hell? I'll go on this. New chat. No. It looks like we have to continue from the session here. Which is fine, I guess. Super Pops, thank you for the nice message. I appreciate you. Okay, there's so many changes I want to make, and because we only have limited prompts, I'm gonna like give it a super prompt. I'm gonna be like 1. All the questions, all the voting questions and their options should be visible on the home page before auth. The voting requires auth. 2, only admin users can create and edit questions. Make a rash at apricot.io and admin. Okay. Let's see if we can do this. I kind of gave it 2 things at once, which is a recipe for disaster. But we'll just see how it goes. What is my opinion on Qwen 2.5 Coder? I think it's the best coding model in that parameter size, 32B. But obviously it's going to be nowhere near as good as Sonnet and probably 4.0, even though the Aider leaderboard says otherwise, because the Aider leaderboard questions are kind of small. But when it comes to a big code base, like the 32B model is probably not going to be able to do much good with bigger code bases, unfortunately. Man, I really need auto mode. I think I'm going to pay the $50 to Exponent. I talked to one of their dudes today. He seemed really nice. So yeah, I don't know. It'll be good. Which coding apps is he using and which is the best? I'm currently using exponent.run. This one's not really public. I mean, you can apply for the waitlist at exponent.run, but it looks like they're like only letting certain people in. They said like as long as you're someone that's not going to abuse it, so you have like a public GitHub that shows contributions and stuff, they probably let you. Previously, I was using lovable.dev, which is what started this whole app, and it had a really nice Supabase integration. So I think like lovable.dev, if you want to create like a React app with a Supabase backend, lovable.dev can get you that like initial boilerplate really well. Yeah, it has like a one-click Supabase integration, which was really nice, and it gives you the whole GitHub repository under your account. It's sick. Otherwise, Cursor is great. Aider is great. Klein is really great. Windsurf is really great now as well. They're the top 5. Exponent also writes code besides debugging, yes. Yo, our Essenians, what's up? Let's hear this techfren you the bomb.
Techfren ur de bomb.
The bomb?
Sekvrenor. Techfren ur de bomb.
What, dude? Why is this TDS suck at pronouncing?
Techfren ur de bomb.
Have I checked out the new open hands? Yeah,
Thank
I
you,
tried
my
the one
friend.
that's hosted on Daytona, but it was bugged. Like it didn't work too well. But like open hands, I've tried it on robocoders.ai, which you can try for free, and it works really well there. This is like a fork of open hands. Yeah, yeah, good stuff. Klein is the best debugging. Yeah, dude, Klein is so good because it has like computer use as well and browser thing. Yeah, Klein is so good for debugging. I think honestly, like this might be better because of auto mode. I haven't tried auto mode yet, but like the speed and smartness of exponent.run. Now it doesn't have the computer use and stuff, so that's where it lacks, but just when it comes to like executing command line commands, exponent's been really good. Like I'm really impressed with how it debugged this before. Like we couldn't connect to Supabase, so it did like it pinged to Supabase. It's like, oh, it couldn't be found. All right, maybe we don't have internet. So then it pinged Google. It's like, okay, we can ping Google. That's fine. And it's like you probably need to change your Supabase URL, which was exactly the issue. It was just so cool how it was able to debug that. Line is run automatically and checks the errors and fixes them. Yeah, so does it. Except for, yeah. Well, it depends, but yeah, no, definitely. I see what you're saying. Yeah, client is very good. You can't see shit. Rami, you on TikTok? Come on, come on YouTube or something. Hold on, we can make this bigger too. I'm building a. Okay, we can't make it bigger. Wait, oh, can we? Yeah, we can. Oh shit, that was too big. I'm making an app for people to vote on the next topic of my hackathon. The topic of my next hackathon. But I also want to make it like an admin dashboard so I can have like topics in the future as well. It isn't just hackathon voting. So like people can vote, more community engagement and shit. That's what we're planning to get to eventually. But yeah, at the moment we're just building it out with Exponent. So this is a platform called Exponent. It's not public, but it's really good. There's so many different tools with like free tiers that you can just keep hopping from one to the other and like keep using all their free tiers. You can tap Control plus scroll and this will change the size of the page. Yes. It's the same thing. Control scroll, Control plus. With React, yes, this is React. Yeah, it's good fun. I'm not really reading what it's doing, so I hope it's not going off the rails. but it's really cool. One really cool thing about Exponent is like they don't charge you for edits, they don't charge you for executions. They only charge you for prompts that you give, which is sick. It's probably I doubt they're going to keep that forever because it's definitely costing them a lot of money to do that. But I mean, for the end user, it's really good. Okay, I'll provide you with the SQL commands you need to run in your Supabase dashboard to do all the RLS. Shout out to whoever said the RLS stuff. Tiago Gomez da Silva. They were correct. So pretty much to like give the admin permissions and stuff, we need to execute all this. I think we can do it in one go. So that's one really cool thing about Supabase. I guess a lot of platforms would have this. It's like you don't have to mess with the UI. Just get the AI to give you all the SQL code to run, and then it just updates your database for you. So we're going to do that. We're going to hop over to Supabase dashboard, log into my project, go to SQL editor, go paste all the code that we got, and run it. Ooh, destructive operation. You know, you could be careful. You could have drop all tables, and that would destroy all your data. But we don't have any data we care about. So, yeah, we're gonna set admin, create policy. Admin can create questions. That's super cool. Super cool. Super cool. I think we ran that. That's fine. Let me know. Verify. Well, let me just verify myself. You know, we don't need it to verify. Okay, so we have a question here. But let's sign out. I think I have another question. Yeah, awesome. So now on the main page, we can see the questions. We can sign in. If I sign in with hello at techfren, this shouldn't have admin privileges. And it doesn't. It can't create questions. Can it vote? 100x. Awesome. And it can do one vote. Oh, wow. That is working perfectly. Man, that makes me really happy. Now, the next kind of step for this, I might not do it yet, is actually deploying this to a domain. Once we get to that stage, there's probably a whole lot of other complications. What am I using for backend? This is Supabase backend, Supabase. It's an open source backend similar to Firebase. I really like it, but I've heard once your project gets big, the pricing can be annoying, but you can also probably, since it's open source, self-host it. I'm not sure. You know, Expo is awesome. You're working React Native now? Yes, sick, man. Mobile dev. Can you add API key like Gemini and this will be on Exponent? No. You can't choose your model or add an API key on Exponent, if that's what you're referring to. Would you start a proper project with these AI tools like a project you're trying to monetize? Yes. I have. Because I was thinking of starting a project and this makes it look really easy. Yeah. It definitely is easy at the start. Like what you're seeing now is the start. Once your project gets like big, complicated, many different subcomponents, that's when it gets really hard. You'll hit a wall of debugging where you could spend hours, if not days, trying to debug stuff. But yeah. Yeah, man. I do have so I've been building this video editing app with AI tools that I'm planning to monetize. But as I said, I've kind of hit that wall of trying to debug. Now, yeah. And also like okay, there's two versions. There's like a web app version and an executable version. The executable version is pretty stable on my machine. But just the nature of deploying executables to different platforms with different like hardware, it's just not as easy to manage as the web version. So I'm trying to like shift back to the web version, but that one isn't very stable at the moment. So whole lot of work, but yeah. Only days? Sounds like Paul's been through a lot of debugging. But yeah, guys, this is almost finished. I feel like I do want to finish it this stream, but I've been sitting on this chair for 2 hours, so we're gonna take a break. I will show you guys. I feel like most of you haven't seen this, my like previous streams where I kind of like answer a lot of these questions. So I'm gonna play a VOD while I just take a like quick 5-minute break or something. And I think this one is good, although yeah, have a look at this. Fuck, this is actually pretty long. Oh, let's oh. How is Supabase Firebase like? I'm only familiar with PHP. Yeah, I think they're really easy to use. Supabase and Firebase. To create a song. This is Suno, SUNO tutorial as well. But I want to go a bit more in depth. I did ask for some optimizations. Let's see how fast it runs with the optimizations. The next theme. Let me know. Okay, I'm gonna let this play for a little bit. Open-ended, like, and I'll be back. Anything. That's also a potential thing as well. All right, nice. It finally works now. Let's try upload a video. Upload that same 14-second video, 19-second video, and see how long this one takes. The last one took, oh, this is way faster. The last one took 8 minutes. I can already tell you this one is faster. Should take, at this rate, 30 seconds. Pacific Dome is building a real estate SaaS product. Do I fill the team up? Oh, I don't have much time to team up on something like that, but thanks for the suggestion. If you're looking for people to help you collab Pacific as well, I have a collab channel in my Discord now. You can put something here, be like looking for someone to help me with my real estate thing or whatever. Oh, sweet. That was so much faster. All right, save to. Oh, there's another separate processing for rendering. I guess that makes sense. And we're done. Let's see how this one looks. Okay, that's way faster, which is good. I hope it's still, I don't know, worked at least similarly. Here we go, save to. Oh my god, okay. Definitely worse, but it's close. It seems like every second frame is correct. But yeah, a bit of debugging to do, but it's definitely processed a lot faster. Sorry if anyone has epilepsy. We'll quit that. But yeah, progress. Gonna push this, and I think I might leave developing that till later. Is there some other Aider things I could show, like the voice command? Let's try the voice command. I'm gonna clear this voice. It seems like every second frame the video isn't the cropped video. Can we make some changes to make it less choppy? For instance, one thing is, instead of changing the bounding box location every frame, let's change it every like seconds to update where the face was. Otherwise, just keep it on the first frame face detection location. So if you can determine why it's flicking different videos every second frame, that would be great. Yeah, so you can use voice to input your prompt Aider. Just go by /voice, and it just transcribes everything you said and sends that to the bot. Isn't Aider supposed to debug and rerun? Yes, you can turn on auto test and stuff, but by default that is not on. Also, we didn't get any errors that time either, so it doesn't really know what's wrong unless you set up testing. And that's another thing that I keep going back to. I'm not very good at it, but if you do test-driven development with Aider, it'll be super powerful. Why not turn it on? I said I didn't do test-driven development like I should have. I don't know, I just like quickly prototyping things, getting things out fast. And it's just pretty easy to just press yes or no a lot of the time. And another reason why you might not want to turn it on is if you know that it's going in loops or going in circles, prevent that a lot easier, save some money by having it off. Do advise having it on? Yes. If you have tests, and you know what you're doing, I'd advise having it on. Otherwise, like, you get way more control if you just leave it off. And I think at the start, leave it off so you kind of get an idea for how Aider behaves. And then once you're comfortable and you just want to let it go by itself, then turn it on. How much does Aider roughly cost per hour? Great question. It really depends. on how big your code base is and how much of that you're putting into context and like model you're using and how fast it is. So pretty much like the best model, but like also so fast and expensive is Sonnet. And if you have a really big code base, you could easily. Sorry if you guys just joined. That was a VOD. I mean, it was only playing for like a few minutes, but I was taking a break. We've been streaming for 2 hours. So if you have just joined, I've been making this right here. Yeah, this right here, this is a little app, web app, where we can vote on questions. So sick. Okay. Like what should the topic of the next hackathon be? And I've been developing it with Exponent first I created it with lovable.dev, which is really great. Lovable.dev is a really great way to create like a full stack app. Now, I had some issues with it, getting it past the boilerplate stage, but I just took it offline because it creates a GitHub for you. So I took it off and I've been finishing it off with Exponent here. So yeah, we're gonna take this to the next stage. I'm gonna say everything works great. Now let's move on. Homepage should show the questions expanded with voting results. What else do I want to add? That's one thing. It should show the expanded questions with the voting results. I think that's it. And then we'll try to debug it. Also, okay. Low-key, I want to add this as well. Make the theme be of a matrix digital rain computer terminal style with a custom font. Let's see if we can do that. Just to match the rest of my website. If you guys haven't seen my website, it's kind of like that, you know. Matrix. I love the matrix style. Yes, you know, you got to keep the theme. You got to keep the branding. You know, keep all that shit up. All right. I'm also eating a banana now. Hope that isn't weird. Kidding. Yo, thanks for the likes. D with the 412 likes. Appreciate you. Thanks, D. Pookie Killer. Hey, sorry. I don't know why I missed your message. How are y'all? What are we doing? What's everyone working on? Armand with the gifts? Did I miss those? No, I didn't. That was a while ago. AI for Shopify. Awesome. AI real estate agent. Wait, is that Rafi? How's that going? Damn, I didn't realize it was you. What was it called? I want to check it out. Any updates? What was your project called? Pomegranate? I remember the icon was a pomegranate. I forgot what the actual project was called. Modern Realty. Okay, no, that's different. That's not what it was called before. Let's check it out. This one? Ooh, this is nice. I like this. I like this landing page. Interpret real estate data and gain an edge over your other buyers. Okay, it's a bit of a pivot. Looks cool though. You're still a one-man clan? Oh no, we got a co-founder here. Hell yeah. Good shit. About us. Raymond Zhu. Ex-Google AI. Hell yeah. That's so good. Happy for you, Rafi. Awesome, man. Really good to see you guys making progress. Good shit. What else? Anyone else have SaaS apps they want me to see? Will you ever launch a SaaS app, Osdi? Yeah, man. I have made one last year. My first AI SaaS app. It was called Timestamp Genius. I don't. Oh, I might not have an upgrade. This is what it looks like when I first launched it. It's the UI got better, not much better, but a bit better. Yeah, you just put in like a YouTube URL, and it used like ChatGPT and stuff to make timestamps like this. This was like over a year, May 25, 2023. And now what I'm working on is gmclip.com. This is like a video editing app I've made. Now this isn't really stable nor public at the moment, but yeah, this is my next one. Hope you like it. DLXer, hey, what's up? But yeah, show me your guys' projects. If anyone has something they want me to check out, we can have a look on stream. Ego Mentalist, what's up? ENTJ, how do you monetize apps? Individual selling, ad or freemium? Yeah, I mean, there's so many ways. If you're asking how do people monetize in general, obviously you just listed a bunch. Me personally, I find, I find those monthly pricing model is so evil because they just like, I don't know if they rely on getting you, but I've been caught so many times signing up for something. I use it like once or twice and I forget to cancel the monthly subscription, and then next month it charges you and you're just like, fuck, man, like I forgot to cancel that. I find that so evil. Like it probably makes them a bunch of money, but yeah. So I typically, like with Timestamp Genius, I charged per use. So like kind of like a credit system, and that kind of, it just makes it scalable. So like every time you make an API call, some credits go down, and the more you use it, the more you get charged, and it kind of like pay as you go. I think that's like the best for fairness. Maybe not the best for business revenue, but yeah, I did pay as you go. All right, let's check out these apps. UI design.ai. $80 for transcription. Yeah. Generate beautiful. Oh, this looks nice too, man. This is a nice GIF. Is it a GIF or is it oh, it's an MP4. Okay, sick. Well, okay. Figma plugin to generate UI with AI. Awesome, man. This is sick. Sick idea. One free generation per day. Let's look at their pricing. Ooh, their pricing doesn't exist. This is like a S3 bucket issue. Editor.openstyle.ai. All right, let's get these other one. Best for business is free trial and membership. Yeah. No credit card sign up makes it not so evil. Yeah, no, definitely. No credit card sign up for sure. That's completely fair, because then you can't get charged without knowing. What is this? Alright, let's submit my website, see what happens. Oh, this is like for Shopify. Give me a URL to put in here, D. In the URL? What do you mean? Hours collection. What? Hourscollection.com. Okay. Didn't work. Oh, let's refresh. Wait. Looks like it's working. Okay, it's working. So it opens it in... Oh, it gives you like 3 different design options? Is that what it does? 2 of them look the same. That's pretty cool. And then you can press AI edit. Okay, and you can click AI edit. Oh, sick, man. You made this? This is crazy. This is like a full AI editing thing. It's like Webflow. Wow, man, nice. Awesome, dude. That's sick. Ruffy asked, where do I find the best AI engineers? That's a good question. Um, I mean, you make job posts on LinkedIn. X. Actually, X. I think a lot of them are on X. Now, how do you get them to... How do you reach them? I don't know. But I know they're hanging around here. Like, I just... Like, out of all the social networks that I've seen people posting, I think the smartest engineers are on X. But how you can hire them? I don't know. That's a different question. Front end engineers are now just a wrapper of Bolt.new. That's pretty funny. Let me give this some laugh reacts. Okay, the Matrix theme is now complete. Ooh, terminal style font, Matrix style cards with glowing effects. Ooh, guys, I'm excited to see this. Yo, thanks for the likes. D going ham, taking first place on the most likes. Thank you, D. All right, let's see. Localhost 8080. Oh shit, this looks awesome, dude. This looks better than my website. Damn. Damn, dude. That's crazy. Vote.matrix. Choose your reality. Oh my days, fam. What the hell? Exponent went ham on this. Wow, bro. I cannot believe it. I mean, it's a bit weird how there's like a fade. I don't know how do we describe that prompt out the fade. I don't want to waste an exponent thing fixing that though, so I might. Let's see if we can get. Oh shit! One thing also. Thanks for reminding myself. Is exponent doesn't commit automatically, which is something I'm used to for Ada. So I gotta make sure we definitely commit this. I should have commit that last commit as well, because if we make a breaking change, we really need to be able to revert. You can revert in exponent, but it like loses. It's like a destructive revert. So like with Git, we can have checkouts and non-destructive. What was this called? Vote Sparkle. Yeah, look at all these changes. Matrix and fix. Soften gradient. Gradient. Yes. Elongate. Good suggestions, guys. Thank you, Paul and Lazy. James Lopez and Ego. Thank you for the likes. No Mac OS? Oh, for GM clip. No, yeah, no. So I've been having so many issues with executables that I'm going to just make it a web app now. So, yo, D, thank you for all the likes as well, man. A legend. Oh, it's Mac OS? I don't know what you I don't know what you're talking about now. I'm on Windows, if that's what you mean. Let's see. Actually, let's see what files probably made this. Index.css. You reckon it was in here? Yo. Oh, this is it. No, matrix rain. There's no rain. I can't see the rain. Matrix card. You know what? I could probably manually fix this. Let's see. Matrix. Wait. Index CSS. Where's matrix card? Okay. Let's delete this. Refresh. Okay, that didn't fix it. Alright, before inspect. Let's see. Man, I haven't done manual coding in so long. Border left, border right. Yo, what do you reckon's causing this? Could be this as well. Oh, this looks like it. Background image linear gradient. T shadow. Box shadow. Oh, oh, box shadow. Almost. Foreground. Border overflow. Background. Box shadow border. No. Cap display grid. There's actually so many nested components here. Oh, here we go. To background from background. Oh, yeah, that's it. Oh, that looks a bit better. Let's just remove from background. From background. We just do that. Is that gonna fix it? Yes, okay. Fix fade. All right. Yeah, that's pretty sick. Can you touch on what executable issues were and why you switch working on one? You're working on one in Rust. Okay, so one issue is like if you're distributing an executable file, and it's a new file, like no one's really downloaded it on their computer, it's gonna get flagged by Chrome, it's gonna get flagged by Windows, it's gonna get flagged by Mac. They're all gonna be like, we don't know what this executable is. We don't recommend you running this, and they're gonna try and make it hard for people to run it in the first place. So that's one hurdle. That's one little barrier that, you know, people might just like not trust it, which is fair enough. Like you shouldn't really be running executables you find off the internet on your device. I mean, and that's good. Even if you scan it for viruses, like, you know. Anyway, okay, that's one. And then two is like there's every computer is kind of different with the hardware, and you know, especially if you have dependencies. Like I have FFmpeg. You know, you need binaries for Mac, which are different to the FFmpeg binaries for Windows, which are different to Linux. And then not only within Mac, you have Mac Silicon, you have Mac Intel. There's like so many different configurations, and you know, you need to kind of have different binaries for each of these for all the dependencies. So, you know, that's another headache. And then there's probably a whole bunch of other weird little configurations that make it broken for one user compared to another. Whereas if you have a web app, it pretty much works. If you can run it in your Chrome browser, it'll probably look the same in someone else's Chrome browser. Yeah, there you go, TLDR. MK Hammer. How? I like how I choose to manually fix it. That's the difference. Tells you know stuff. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I didn't want to waste a whole exponent thing to just fix like a one. It was literally like one CSS class I had to remove. Like it felt like a waste. Because like these exponent prompts go a long way. Like I don't know if you've noticed, but I've been giving it like 2 things to do per prompt. I'm like, because it's pretty good at handling them. So you know, exponents. Like I'm really impressed with it. Barco. I'm always disappointed when I download a random binary off the web, scan it, and it has 0 vulnerabilities. Why are you disappointed? Okay. Now we're reaching another point of a developer's life cycle where a lot of things tend to go wrong, and that is deployment. We're going to try to deploy this live on the interwebs, and there's a pretty good chance it's not going to work the first time. So buckle up, guys. Here we go. So I use Cloudflare these days to deploy most of my shit. So we're going to go on Cloudflare. We're going to try to use Cloudflare pages. It should theoretically be pretty simple, for a web app, a React web app, it should be like a few button clicks, but in reality, I know this is not going to be the case. So here's what we do. We go workers and pages, create a page, connect to Git, AJ47, vote Sparkle platform, begin setup, production, main branch, framework, React with Vite, npm run build, dist. Let's just double check I have npm run build in my package JSON. Yes, okay. Output directory dist, I assume so? We could double check that just to make sure. I don't want to have to redo this. D, good night. Thank you so much for all the all the likes. Running Moja, thank you for the likes, and MK Hama, thank you for the likes. Barco says you can deploy Next.js with RSCs on these Cloudflare pages. What's RSC? But yeah, like it should be relatively simple to do this stuff. Okay, dist. Okay, great. Yep, that all looks good. Environment variables. We're gonna add my environment variables here. Please don't copy these, by the way, because I think they're meant to be secret. But you know, it's kind of hard to keep secrets when you're streaming. Okay, this one's an interesting one. The redirect URL. Now, I think this is actually going to be HTTP
Thank you,
colon
my
forward
friend.
slash forward slash. Okay, I'm going to try do this at vote.techfren.net. I think we can get that. I think we can get that with Cloudflare pages. I don't know, like a subdomain. I'm about to find out. Follow me. Thanks for the follow. You need to block those. Yeah, I know. I know, D. Okay, we got an error straight up. Oh, bro, I hate this log file issue. I've had it before with... Yeah, man, I had this exact issue before. Oh, fuck. I knew this would happen. I had this exact issue. I tried to deploy something from Lovable Dev. I had this log file issue. How the fuck did we fix it, man? I can't remember. I remember I spent like an hour on it. Luckily, I live streamed the whole thing. Let's see. It was making app for viewer techfren. Making app. Was it this one? I think it is this one. Making an app for... Yeah, it is this one. Okay, where did I try to deploy it? Testing, Cloudflare. Okay, Cloudflare here. Ticket management. Firebase. Superbase. Can we search a transcript? Yo, we had World of AI in this stream. Hell yeah. How do you get Exponent access? Yeah, I did do the phone call. They manually review people, making sure that they're not like trolls. Pretty much if you have like a public GitHub, or you sign up, if you do the call, once you do the call, you'll get in. But yeah, pretty much just do the call, I'd say. And then tell them I referred you. Maybe they'll give me like, I don't know. They'll be nice to me or something. Okay, let's see if I can search the transcript here for deploy. Yeah, deploy, 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 deploy. Uh, here. Yeah, I tried to debug this with Claude. I don't know how I eventually. I don't know if I even did ended up building it. Oh, I hate this. I hate debugging. Honestly, think I spent like an hour trying to fix this and then it didn't end up doing it. You had to call him? I didn't have to. I actually got access before I called him, but I just had the call today with Exponent. And I think that's like a way to tell them for sure. Like, that's a way to get like onboarded for sure. They call you like a prison girlfriend, you can't call them. Did we end up deploying this? Okay.
Thank you, my friend.
No, that one failed as well. Wait, oh, it worked here. Okay. How did we fix it? That fixed? Yes, okay. You just gotta figure out what I did. No, what? I just gotta figure out what I did here. What app was this? Ticket gate. I can look at the GitHub. GitHub. Ticket gatekeeper. Here we go. Mike, thanks for follow. Alias Claude. Yeah, this is Claude in the YouTube video, but I haven't been using it in real life. I used to get FOMO when I see a new coding agent video on YouTube. Now I'm immune to that. There's so many, bro. I get a little bit of FOMO, but like I just watch the video, I see that there's no really like unique features, and I'm like, yeah, whatever. It's just another one. Or if Lazy is like, yo, this is really good, I'm like, all right, let me check it out because I trust Lazy's opinion. So he was the one that's like, Exponent's really good, and you know it's really good. I still think Aider has the best workflow, especially for coding. Yeah, I still love Aider. It's just like, easy to use. It's really fast, and it's like, model agnostic. Yeah. Lazy didn't do a damn thing. Did you link your GitHub? Maybe they just saw your GitHub or your LinkedIn or whatever. Did it fail here? Okay, it failed here. Alright, we're gonna find out what I did. I think we got further. Build was not found. Okay. That's okay.
18
So,
fully clothed cowboys in the showers at Ram
looks
Ranch.
like it's in dist.
Mod lock file.
That's fine. I think we just change this to dist and we good. I think we good. Okay, so it looks like I did npm install and npm run build and without a framework. Maybe we can try that. How do I go back into settings? Change settings. All right, no framework, npm install and an npm run build. Okay, let's see if that works. Watching your own video to recall how to use It's not how to use Cloudflare pages, it's how to get a lovable.dev project working with Cloudflare pages. And it looks like I needed to do more than that. Okay, so it's like a bun thing. So I got my yeah, so I think I deleted the bun file. Do we have a bun lock here? Yes, we do. Okay, delete that. What else did I do? Delete package lock. Okay. Delete package lock. Merge this pull request. Okay. Git diff. Yep. Git add. Git commit. Delete lock files. Something wrong with these log files. I'm not exactly sure what. But yeah, the log files that lovable.dev gives us aren't compatible with Cloudflare pages. I don't know. I spent like an hour debugging this last time. I'm so glad I have the answers to just kind of hopefully skip an hour's worth of debugging and just. I probably should have waited till. Actually, I don't know. I don't know if that commit will come through. Why didn't I like OpenHands? I do like OpenHands. It's just that when I tried their hosted version on Daytona, it just didn't work. Yeah. Yeah, you link GitHub, but most of your stuff is private. Okay. Maybe they saw you like LinkedIn through the GitHub or something. If my budget is limited, which one AI would you recommend? Gemini, Gemini Flash as the LLM, and then either Klein, Aider, Cursor. I think the agent doesn't really matter too much, but as the LLM, Gemini Flash is really affordable. Okay, do we have a different error? No Wrangler TOML found. Continuing. Okay, that's fine. Error code 1. This log file would have been modified by this install, which is forbidden. What? What does that mean? It is now the delete log files. Okay, good. Cloning, yeah. Finish. Detecting the following tools. Installing yarn. I don't know. Let's see what Claude thinks. What's a yeah, Bolt? Bolt's reasonably new and does website building, yes. It's bolt.new actually, not .ai. Bolt.new. But there's lots of forks of it as well. People really like the forks. Yeah. It looks like you're experiencing an error. Oh, look, this is Sonnet now. See? That's what I said. Someone before was like, use Claude. And I'm like, I won't even get Sonnet. I mean, this is Haiku now. Using yarn. During the you encountered a problem. The log file would have been modified by this install, which is forbidden. Try yarning yarn install manually. Okay, maybe we should make our own lock file. Didn't happen. Okay, maybe we'll try run with yarn instead of. I don't think that'll work either. Yarn and yarn build. Isn't Cody only $10 a month and it uses Claude Sonnet? So I don't know how that works. Cody is half the price of Claude. Well, it depends. I mean, Claude is $20 a month for hundreds of messages at full context. I don't know what the context limits are on Cody, but yeah. Generally, like these agent platforms kind of lose money on the API costs, it seems, just to be a competitive advantage. Okay, same issue. Maybe I should bring back the lock file? Is that what I did here? Update Stripe, no. Merge from prod. Fucking 0 changes. Big Stripe, man. Alright, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna delete node modules. And then we're gonna yarn install again. This should create a new package lock, I hope. Yeah, V0 is great, but it's not the new one. I think Kez was trying to find Bolt. V0 is a bit more OG. Did we create a package lock? Yeah, we didn't create a package lock. We have a yarn lock. Oh. Let's delete that as well. We can always reintroduce them with Okay. They look very similar, yeah. Around the same idea. You haven't heard of that one? Oh, dude, V0 is so good for Next.js. The issue with V0 is it's only front-end Next.js at the moment. Whereas I think Bolt can do like full stack deployments, supposedly. I don't know how legit that is. Okay. We have a new thing. Should I keep it on Yarn? Yeah. I mean, in my working example, I used NPM, but we'll see how it goes with Yarn. Come on, come on. Ooh, I think it's working. I think it's working. Come on, guys. Come on, Cloudflare. Yes, I think it's working, dude. I think we did it. I think we did it. I think. Oh, actually, unsupported engine. That's not good. God damn. Let me try with npm. Oh, cousin Robert, thanks for the gifts. Appreciate y'all. Let's go. Should deploy, bro. -- progress equals false. Oh, yes. Let's go. It worked. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, sir. Thanks, Kez. Okay. All right. So now we have it hosted on here. Oh, this is sick. Oh, wow, and it's actually linked with the Superbase as well. Now let's see if I can get it on my subdomain. Add a custom domain. Set up a custom domain. Vote.techfren.net. Continue. Now, because I already have techfren.net registered with Cloudflare, it should handle all the DNS shit for me. I hope. Oh, I forgot to add the option for people to be able to add their own votes, I think. I mean, add their own options. But yeah. That wasn't as bad as I expected, getting the deployment. I think because I've had the exact same issue before, it was a lot easier to debug this time. But I remember last time, look, this is when it got fixed at 2 minutes 20 pretty much. And then let's see when I first tried to deploy. For most of my needs in like programming here. Actually, because GPT Engineer edits to main, I'm gonna make a new branch. How long is that? 40 minutes. It took me 40 minutes to debug that issue last time. I think this time it took like 10-15. That's a lot better. Okay, looks like we have vote.techfren.net is live. Awesome. Now I have to sign in to vote. Oh. Enter matrix. Okay, so there's a few things. Sign in to vote should take you to the sign in screen. But I love this font. This font is sick. Hello, techfren. Sign in. Okay, so this is a non-admin. If I go vote, one consciousness has made their vote. Okay. Okay, so there's a few changes I want to make with Exponent. And Exponent's really good at actually doing multiple changes on this code base, which is amazing. So one, when user is not logged in, the sign in to vote button on the voting card should take them to the login screen. Two, currently there's No option for users to be able to add an additional option, answer option to the question. They can add one option to each question and vote on it. I think that makes sense. I mean, I've been so confident in Exponent doing everything else that I feel like it can do this, but there's no way I think Ada would have been able to do this. Like, it's just too much. But like, Exponent seems really good at kind of doing one thing at a time, but still adhering to the overall plan, which is super cool. Al Shashi, thank you for the likes. Appreciate y'all. Who we got? D on top. Remark imagery, trend drop, still leading on the likes leaderboard. Robert and Kez with the gifts. Thank you guys. Man, this is sick. If Exponent does this, honestly, I might make the switch and just make this my main AI software engineer. Pay that $50 a month, have it on auto mode, and just use this. I'm just really impressed with how it's able to do everything. Do you have to load files into Exponent? No, you don't. You can manually mention them, but it's got understanding. I mean, look, I'll take you to the, can I take you to the top? Oh, this is lagging. Let me try to take you to the top. Here, my very first prompt, I didn't mention any files. And you know what it does? It goes lssrc. It runs the commands to see what files are there and then, you know, reads the files. Look, read file, kind of like client. It's actually really smart at doing that. And yeah, that's kind of like a weakness with Ada. It's not really good at finding files and reading them. Like, it can. It's not that it can't. It's just not very good at it compared to client and Exponent. If you use autorun, make sure to give it really good instructions, or you might achieve AGI. you know, it wouldn't be a bad thing if I was the first to get AGI. Dude, imagine if I just explode in my like potential of like creating shit, and then like tomorrow I have like a bazillion robots and agents. That would be amazing. If I'm the first to hit singularity, you see me tomorrow, and I'm just in this like massive mech, and I'm just walking around like AGI achieved. Okay. All right, we have an SQL command to run on Superbase. Hope this doesn't break anything. Oh, drop policy, admins can manage, and then it recreates it. Okay, public can view options. Okay. Okay. Ooh, public can view options already exist. Ooh, let's debug with Superbase AI. I guess we gotta, let's drop this. I'm gonna drop this. Okay, I think we don't really need that, you know? I'm gonna just not do that. Oh, I hope this doesn't make issues. Should be alright. Should be alright. Okay. Run this, allow manage, admins manage all options, allow auth users to add custom options, keep options publicly readable. Sign in, now creates a login. Auth users can now do that. Custom options are marked with custom label. Users automatically vote for their custom option. Custom options. Oh, okay, perfect. This looks like exactly what I asked for. Let's see if I log in with a non thing. If I try vote here. Yes, add your own option. Sick. What should I vote? What should I option? Chat interactive games. Add and vote. Fail to add your choice. Ooh. It's because I've already voted for one. Oh, but it's already here. Do we have an error? We don't. Okay, that's kind of weird. It's probably some bugs, but video editing 2. Okay. I'm also gonna make this full width, I think. Let's see if I can code that myself. I don't want to waste an exponent thing. Where was it? It's kind of this question list. Questions, card, matrix card, hover, shadow, transition, grid gap, MD, grid calls 2. No. What if I do grid calls 1? Will that make it 1? Yeah, that was full width. Bro, I know how to code. I know how to code. All right, instead of vote matrix, we're gonna do vote.matrix. We're gonna do techfriends community voting. Choose your reality. Choose our destiny. Okay, that's cooler. Techfriends community voting. Choose our destiny. What should be the topic of the next hackathon? This kind of feels, I don't know. It should be like bigger. Where's the title? Is admin enter matrix question list? Initializing matrix card title here. 2XL? 4XL. Yeah. Can we make it glow less? Oh, it's in a matrix glow. 10 pixels. 5 pixels. 2 pixels. I don't know about the glow, man. Yeah, it's kind of. All right, we've got opacity 0.5. Will that make it less? No, it's not the fix. HS primary. Is there a alpha? Like if I go 0.2, is that gonna? Oh, this kind of does something. I don't know. techfren, yeah. Going lawnmower. Did my? What do you mean by that? Yo, Soundwave, you still here? Earth, what's up? Okay. Whatever. Let's just leave it at that. I think that's good enough. We need the background matrix rain. Where is the rain? Why can't we see the rain? Matrix rain, card rain. Yeah, whatever. We'll just leave it. I think that's good enough. Let's see if I like add these changes to git add git commit. Will it techfren changes? Git push. Let's see if it deploys. I think it low-key will just deploy and we don't really have to do anything. And we can check the deployment here. Yeah, see? In progress. All right, awesome, guys. In about 5 minutes, probably less, in about like 1 minute, you can go to vote.techfren.net and vote on our next hackathon topic. Yeah. So I hope you do. I hope you go and vote. And I hope you're interested in, like, please only vote if you're interested in the hackathon. I mean, I guess you could vote anyway, I guess. But it's cool, man. That's really cool. We could make, I don't know. I'm gonna make another question here as well. Let me log in with the admin. And we're gonna make a new question. What is the nature of reality? You're like, What video topics do you want to see? I don't know, some other optional whatever. Implement reality. Oh, but then that goes up here. Oh, and then I can't really remove it either. I mean, I can if I go into wait, modify reality? Modify reality. So funny. I'm just gonna remove it from Superbase. Let's just only have the hackathon question for now. What video topics? Delete. All right. There we go. Let's see if vote.techfren.net. Yes, it's been updated, guys. Please, you can go and you can also submit your own option here, hopefully. So yeah. Waiting for the exponent thing. All right, it's already up. Awesome, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that there. I'm glad we did that. That's really cool. I had fun this stream. Shout out to lovable.dev. Shout out to Exponent. Shout out to everyone in the chat. Lazy, Robert, Kez, D, Soundwaves, Barco. Who else we got? Al Shashi, Mr. Hot Stepper, Ali, Rafi, Paul. Who else? MK. That's all I'm seeing here. Kez already shut out. Marcus, hey. Oh, Germany. Another 3-hour stream. Yes. Yeah, I'm gonna edit this, make it nicer like the other ones. And we'll add some padding this time so it's a bit less jarring, but yes. Please vote. If you're interested in the hackathon, vote.techfren.net. And we'll see you later. Peace. Wait, do I have a thank you screen? No. Come on, surely. Yeah, thank you screen. The super base fails. Yo, Kez, okay, are people having trouble signing up? I actually haven't tested that. Let me quickly test that before we end up. Let's see. Yeah, there's only one vote. I think people are having trouble signing up. Sign up. I hate how it. Wait, why isn't this? Why is this plain text? No. Worked fine for me? Okay, sweet. Superbase link points to localhost. Still. Okay, thanks for letting me know. We can fix that. Localhost. So it's probably defined in. Wait, where would it be defined? Wait, which? Hold on. I think you don't have to auth your email. Try just sign in with whatever you tried, without the confirm. Or actually, you click the confirm, but the redirect. Oh, it's still localhost 3000. What the fuck? Yeah, I didn't have to confirm. Okay. I don't know where that's defined. It could be in the Superbase settings. Auth emails are only sent to organizations. How do we set the email template? Confirmation URL. Where's the confirm your sign up? Magical link. URL. Oh, here we go. I figured it out, guys. This is gonna fix it. vote.techfren.net/login. Okay. Oh no, when are you okay. That should work now. from now. Okay, thanks for bringing that up, Barco. Appreciate you. Yeah. Same. I was able to log in without. I think it's just the redirect thing was wrong, but I've changed it, so hopefully it should work now. Awesome. You've added your own option. Let's see. 24-hour hackathon to build computer use agents. Ooh, and that's got 2 votes. Is that legitimate 2 votes, or did you hack the system? Make 2 accounts. Cool, guys. Thank you so much for voting, participating, chatting. And I will see y'all next time. Peace out. Wait, peace out. There we go.